बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम to all of my lovely students. I am Sir Zishan over here in front of you, and this video is for class 8th and the subject is computer. It's my lecture number 3. I have already delivered my 2 lectures on the topic of computer science class 8, in which the first lecture was Introduction to Computer and the second lecture Number System. Now let me tell you about your book. Maybe some students they still don't have the books. This is your book. I am telling you what is that. Buy this book as soon as it's possible. The name of the book is Jump Start Computer for Class 8, Howard Publications. And now listen the lecture. I am on chapter number 1. All of you open page number 19 of your book. Let me show you. If you will not open your book, you cannot understand it properly. Page number 19, self-test. The reason is that in my lecture number 2, I have taught you everything which is in chapter number 1, number system. I already taught you. Lecture number 3, this is the time for question answers. So question number 1 is self-test. Fill in the blanks. I am reading it. Number 1. To change the numbers from one base to another is called dash of bases. Conversion. When we change from one number system to another number system, this is called conversion. Number 2. Two numbers written in different number systems may have the same dash, may have the same value. I am giving you example. See the example. 99. This is in decimal. 1100011. base power 2. This is binary. Same value. 99 is equal to 11000011. Same value, same value. So the answer is same value. Number 3. There are 8 numerals in dash number system. Think about that. I told you many times. Think about that. In my previous lecture of mathematics class 8, I was talking about a girl, Aman. Aman is a very intelligent girl. So maybe she may be sitting somewhere and listening what I am saying, watching what I am writing in the video. Understand? Yes, Aman, where are you? Understand what I am teaching you? So, octal. Octal is a word from Latin language, and octal means, look at me, octal means 8. So, the question over here, there are 8 numerals in dash number system. Answer is octal. Number 4. There are 2 numerals in dash number system. Everybody knows about that from class 6. Class 7 and now class 8. What is that? Binary. Binary has only 2 digits. Only 2 digits. What are those digits? 0 and 1. Only 2 digits and nothing. So the answer is binary. Number 5. There are 16 numerals in dash number system. I will tell you again in detail. The answer is hexa. 16 digits. 0 to 9. Then A, B, C, D, E, F. I am writing it over here. Hexa. I am writing how many digits. Count it. Then you will understand. Look at the board. Count the digits in hexa. Count the digits in hexa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, the base power of hexadecimal is 16. You understand? What does it mean? A is equal to 10. Of course, the base power of hexadecimal number system is 16, but the maximum digit is 15. That means F. Understand what I'm saying? I'm saying, listen it again very carefully. I'm saying the base power of hexadecimal number system is 16. Why 16? Because it has 16 digits. Count from 0 to F. From 0 to F. And F means 15. So the maximum digit of hexa is 15 equals to F. Understand? I hope you understand. If you do not understand, I will teach you again and again, but pay your proper attention, my dear students. Finish. Number 5, hexadecimal. Now, number 6. There are 10 numerals in dash number system. Everybody knows about that. That is decimal number system. Remember, deci means 10. Deci means 10. Decimal number system, base power 10, digits 0 to 9. Self-test completed. Question number 1 done. I have your book in my hand. Now I am coming on question number 2. Important, easy and very easy. Question number 2, important, easy and very easy. Why? Because I taught you in detail in my lecture number 2. But as well as this moment is concerned, I am solving some questions and some of them will be for you as your homework. It's very necessary, my dear student, to do homework. Now question number 2. Answer the following questions. Convert the following numbers from decimal to binary number system. Look at the board. Decimal to binary. Always remember, when you have decimal number system and you want to convert it into binary, always divide it by 2. Question number 1, 99. Solution. First of all, understand the question. 99, which is a decimal number system, what will be its equivalent in binary? You understand? Where am I indicating? Now, Solution. 99 divided by 2. Look at the board. When you will divide 99 by 2, what will be the answer? See, I am telling you. 2 4 the 8, 1 left, 19, 2 9 the 18, left 1. Put a dash over here and put 1. Now divide by 2. 2 2 the 4, 2 4 the 8, left 1. Divide by 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, left 0. Divide by 2. 2 6 the 12, left 0. Divide by 2. 2 3 the 6, left 0. Divide by 2. 2 1 the 2, left 1. Come over here. MSB, most significant bit. LSB, least significant bit. We start writing from MSB to LSB. You will have to remember it, so let me write it. MSB. Most significant bit. And in the same way, LSB, least significant bit. Understand? M for most, L for least significant bit. So the answer will be 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. You see, I wrote the answer. 99, which is a decimal number, is equal to 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. This part to answer. Okay? Understand? Question number 2. Book is over here in my hand. 191, which is a decimal number. Convert it into binary. Okay? Look at the board now. Solution. 191, what will be base power 2 of 191 divided by 2? Look at the board, look at the board. I hope you understand it. Everybody, class 8 computer, look at the board very carefully. 191 divided by 2, 2 9 the 18, 1 left 11, 2 5 the 10, 1 left. 2 4 the 8, 1 left 15, 2 7 the 14, 1 left. 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, 1 left. 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 1 left. 2 5 the 10, 1 left. 2 2 the 4, 1 left. 2 1 the 2, 0 left. Answer. MSB, LSB. 191 equal to 10. Hold on. Let me write the answer again. One zero, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the answer.